Force tool calls equal guaranteed JSON. We're lighting up the prompts and structured output plane, a cross-cutting concern that touches every layer of the stack. Here's the whole journey. Fragile prompts on the left, a schema turned into a tool, a validate gate, a bounded retry loop, and graceful nulls for optional fields. We fire the same polite prompt 3 times. The first 2 replies come back as clean JSON, green checks all around. Asking nicely seems to work. Third call, the model gets chatty, wraps the JSON in a markdown fence, and prefaces it with, "Sure, here you go." Your parser explodes. Asking nicely fails, eventually. Start with a pedantic model, invoice number, vendor, total required, PO number, optional. This shape is the contract we want the model to honor. Now morph it. That pedantic schema becomes the input schema of a tool we'll call extract invoice. The model's job is no longer write text, it's fill in this tool call. Push in on the magic argument. Tool choice with type tool and the tool name forces the model to call extract invoice. It can no longer reply with prose, only with structured tool arguments. As of 2026, Claude has native structured outputs. Pass output config.format with a JSON schema and you get guaranteed JSON back directly, no tool wrapper, or set strict true on a tool to enforce its input schema. The forced tool choice pattern still works and teaches the idea, but output config.format is the direct modern way. The old output format parameter is deprecated. The model emits a tool use block packed with values. It flows through the schema validate gate, gets rechecked against pedantic, and lands as a real typed invoice. A validated object, not a hopeful string. Feed in an ambiguous invoice. The first tool use comes back malformed. The validate gate slams shut with a validation error. Don't give up. Don't loop forever either. Catch the validation error, paste it back as a new user turn, and call again. Second attempt clears the gate. Retry exactly once. A hard ceiling stops a bad document from burning 20 calls. Feed an invoice with no PO number. The required fields come back populated, and PO number returns as a calm null. The schema prevents hallucinated values. Optional means optional, not make something up. Recap, the schema becomes a tool. Tool choice forces the shape, a validate gate guarantees the type, and one retry handles ambiguity. And natively, output config.format with a JSON schema gives guaranteed JSON in one step. This exact pattern is the invoice extractor capstone in playlist 07. Build it once and structured output stops being a prayer.